Before you begin, remove the base enclosure, battery, wireless LAN module, wireless WAN module, display panel assembly, hinge cover, and display bezel. Removal. Important. Make careful note of the routing of the display panel cable for later replacement. Remove the display panel cable from the routing channel and adhesive on the display enclosure. Remove the four 3mm P1 Phillips head screws that secure the display panel to the display enclosure. Lift the display panel off of the alignment pins on the display enclosure and remove. Reverse this procedure to install the display panel.